Ready?
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. You're upside down. There you go. Should have grabbed the camera and watched that more. That was so cool. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Pretty well. It's like trimmed very nicely. I don't even have to trim it.
Yeah, it's a little more just, you know,
It was controllable.
uncaffeinated, you know. Just... All right, I think I'm ready.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Holy shit! Is there a GoPro on there still?
Oh no! Don't look up. Cover it. That motor might fall.
Oh my god.
Rip the wings off. Ridiculous.
Oh no, the GoPro's still on there. Catch a little Catch a little. Putt, flare.
Oh, it happened!
Yes!
Where's the kill? There it is!
On the oh no! Oh my god! Oh, Brian! So many pieces.
Hey Mike, I ripped the wings off!
Oh my god, there's a wing over here.
That's the tail.
Tail. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, we'll have to tell that one.
I hope that camera's still alive. I want to see.
It's still recording. It's blinking.
It's still alive. There will be footage.
Oh.
Dude, it got up like halfway and then it just decided to die.
Folded the wing. Right?
Yeah,
Totally.
just crunched right up. There's poor little GoPro, poor fuse.
Oh, it came off.
I think that was just the crash.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I can't believe it stayed on with everything else that fell
Oh
off.
my god, look at the fuse.
I think
Wow, that was a good last.
I think the fuse was fine until the
holy
wings.
fuck, it's like you ripped the tail off too. Like, well, I don't even know what was first. That's great. That's what we wanted, right? That's why I have to.
That's what you were going for, right?
Yeah, you gotta find a limit.
Now we know not to go that far.
G78 is too much. You can handle an F-16, but not a G78.
Oh my god.
We tried to break the wings off those things.
We found the point. We found the
Like,
the
was there
limit.
a spar? I think there was at one time. Looks like it disappeared.
Oh, it's not there now. Whether it started there today.
Yeah, sheared